Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google Guy here, and today I want to show you how you can use Gemini to help you organize your Google Drive. Because if you're like me, you probably have a digital graveyard of loose PDFs, unorganized meeting notes, and files named Final, V2, Final, and whatnot. So stop dragging them into folders manually. If you don't, you probably are just leaving them as orphaned files, just kind of hanging out like you see in the bottom half of my screen, and we scroll on and whatnot. So I don't know if you've used it or not, but you got a couple of different options here. Probably the most outstanding one that you can use, and to kind of help you out with the fear aspect of it, this does not automatically just do it, meaning it's not going to automatically move your files and just kind of reorganize things willy-nilly without asking you and confirming that. So we're going to walk through that. If you look in the top middle of our screen, there's this cool button called Suggest File Moves. So when you click on that, it's going to allow you to see all of those different files, all those different orphaned files that you've got throughout the folders that you've got created. It's going to analyze it, it's going to map it out, and it's going to give you a plan and suggest the moves for what you can do to organize things. It will not automatically do it until you confirm and say, yes, please. So just know that you've got a little bit of wiggle room, and it's going to give you some different things. And in this case, it's 20 selected files. I can click on move, but you'll notice what it's doing. It's looking at what do I have throughout all of my Google Drive. And it's suggesting, hey, you know what? Maybe you should make a folder for these, or use the folder that's already in place, and you can start working with the organization tools on that front. So once you're happy with it, you can click on the Move Files button, and then it will automatically move those orphan files into the specific folder in that suggested location. And just as a little bit of backup, it will give you the right side screen piece of the reason suggesting it. It's centralizing it because all of these things are kind of related to it. Or you created something here and it looks like it could go there as well. So if you want to give it a try, have a look at it. You can use that suggested file move piece in the top area of your screen with the Organize My Files. Now, that's not the only way that you can do this. You can also go to your Gemini side panel, and when you click on that, it will open it in full screen. That's kind of the new look as opposed to just the right side panel. And then you can also go to the bottom in your prompt bar, and you can ask for the suggestions of moving files. What new folder should I create to accommodate these orphaned files in that regard as well? So you've got a couple of different options depending on your comfort level, but just know this suggested file moves. Once again, I'm going to reiterate it because of the fear. It's going to ask you, and then it will ask you to confirm and move those files. And you can run that multiple times, maybe depending on the specific files that you got. So until we meet again, I just wanted to show you how you can use that one click and move a whole bunch of files and organize them all at once. Suggestions for creating new folders. It's a really cool piece, and when you've got maybe hundreds, or maybe like some people I know, thousands of files, it can really help clean up that little digital graveyard you got going there. Until we meet again, another day, another time, another tip, trick, hack, or update, this is Gary the Google Guy, signing off.